Yo, what is up, YouTube? I wanted to do a quick video today just showing y'all all the heat I've been able to acquire so far here in 2018. I won't lie, I'm a little bit broke now. But I'm selling some of these, you know. You can check out the website, imsohoodie.com, to see which shoes here are on sale. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram, username imsohoodie, so you can stay connected with me and up to date with all the stuff I'm doing here with these sneakers and hoodies and all that. Let's get to, this is not in any particular order, but let's get to all that I've been able to acquire so far in 2018. Now this does not include the ones that I was able to acquire and that I did resell. I got quite a few, but these are the ones that I just kept or got 2 pairs of even in some cases. So I'll just start off from the top. Of course, the most recent and perhaps my favorite so far is these Jordan 1s. Now, I won't lie to you, I really want the Levi's Jordan 4s, but I'm going to wait until either the white or the black ones come out in summer and see if I can get those. I was not able to get the jean ones, the blue jean ones, but this is definitely my favorite release so far and my favorite pickup so far. The Jordan 1s, they're just super clean, smell good. Again, really nice leather on most parts, not all. Check out my honest review somewhere up here in the cards of the Air Jordan 1 Bread Toes and why I think that these sales over here, these OG sales that were not exclusives, are of better leather quality than these. But again, all that being said, this colorway is sick. I love this shoe. I got 2 pairs of these. One that I have downstairs that I rock with every day now. Those and the black cement 3s. Switching off with those. And of course I got this second pair just to stay safe up in here. Alright, I know I just said that that was my favorite pair so far, but now when I go down, this actually might be my favorite pair. And yes, I did get 2 pairs of these, but I sold one of them just to kind of help pay for this one. I wish I had another one so that I could rock one, because I do not feel like wearing these anytime soon. But again, I know I said the bread toes, but you know, I think I changed my mind. This might be my favorite pickup so far in 2018. These are just clean as hell and I think underrated. If you check out StockX right now or any other of the resale places, you'll see that resale for the bread toes is a bit higher than resale for the gold toes right now, which is understandable, but again, I like these ones better. And then next up is I think probably everybody, most everybody was able to get a pair of these. I did get 2 pairs, and they are the black cement 3s, and they're just so fun to wear, and like I just like the way they look, the way they feel, and they're not like, I don't worry about them like getting destroyed or fucked up. They're pretty solid, and not like when I wear some of my ones, sometimes I'm worrying about them, but with these, like, I really have no worry. Of course, the Nike Air on the back just looks so good. Again, I'm more of a white shoe fan, but it's just that I can wear these all the time and not worry about anything. And I did get a 1 of 1 from Nike, if you can see right there. They left some black paint up on the back of my Nike, on the eye right there. But hey, maybe it's more rare now. Yeah, I doubt it. But still. Okay, so now this isn't all the shoes that I've bought, but this is just the heat that I feel is heat. Next pickup, most people wouldn't really consider heat, but I like them. They're really nice to stomp around with, and these are some ones that I don't worry about. Like, I guess I don't really worry about my bread toes either because I have a second pair. But the ones that I do have just 1 pair of, especially like my 1 Pinnacles, like I worry when I wear them. Or these gold toes that I just got this year, I worry about them when I wear them. But it's nice to have some ones like these that you just don't really worry about, and the black makes it so you can get them really dirty. Even the white parts, even if you get it dirty, it comes off easily. And you know, it's just really easy to wear. Goes with a lot of things. A lot of people didn't like the icy sole. I do like it. You can see it's gotten a bit dirty already. I can touch it like this because I cleaned it. It's just that it's stained, you know, stained up on there. But again, I liked it. Not a lot of people liked it. Not the best leather quality, but I like the hints of gold up in there and going with the black. And again, I like the icy sole. And finally, definitely the most expensive that I acquired this year so far, only because I had to pay resale. I don't know anybody that actually won these through the draw. I don't know anybody that ever does win them through the draw. I always lose. But that being said, I did pay resale for these, and they are sick as hell. The Jordan 3 white cements, though they are not my grails. I'm still trying to get my Jordan 4 white cements with the Nike Air from 2016. I think it's 2016. I haven't gotten to it because I'm waiting. I know it's gonna slip even further, hopefully, and maybe I can get it for around 250 or 280. I see it selling at StockX for like 300 right now. And yes, I did pay more for these, I know, but I just feel like these, the reason for that is that these are going to be going to rise in value. I'm pretty sure of that. Whereas those 4s, which are really the shoes that I like even more than this and that I do wear, excuse me, I feel like those the resale value on that is not going to change anymore from what it is already. But again, these 3s are just really nice. Free throw line, all the little details in them. Of course, the Nike Air on the back. Thumbnail. Okay, yeah, but that's all the heat I got so far. Everything else, I won't lie. Everything else I buy for the next couple months, I'm only reselling just to pay back, just to pay off some of the credit card balance that I have right now. Shoes that I am looking forward to actually keeping, again, are those Levi's Jordan 4 collabs that are coming out in around June, I believe. I was looking forward to the off-white Jordan 1s, but I had no shot in hell of getting them, and I'm not paying $1,500 or $2,000, whatever that crazy amount is right now. And this is the heat so far, 5 pairs. The bread toes, the cements, I got 2 pairs of. I actually have 2 pairs of the free throw lines, but again, I'm selling that, so I don't count that. Thumbnail. But yeah, definitely, it's hard to pick a favorite, but I will pick a favorite. It's the gold toes. I mean, that's just, I might wear this on my wedding day, my second wedding day, if that ever comes. Most expensive with the free throw lines. I hope you can see it well. I know the light is kind of like reflecting off it crazy. Let's see if I put it close. If you put it close there, you can see the detailing on there is really, really nice. The leather on here is better than the black cement, I believe. Or maybe I'm just tripping because I paid a lot more for these. These people didn't consider heat, the City of Flight, but I like them to stomp around in. Black cement 3s, you know, again, also I like them to stomp around in. And these are just, I mean, probably this would be like, okay, if this is the star of my heat league, then this is definitely like the best. This would be the best role player, and this would be my number 2. This would be the he's clutch. He comes in clutch, but you know what I mean. But he's not the superstar that these are. So that's all the heat I was able to acquire for 2018. Let me know in the comments below what you were able to get. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button if you like this. And there's more coming soon. Peace.
Diamonds hitting, when the boss talk, bitch, listen, huh? We get your biscuit, huh? I sick on my dog, they vicious, huh? Fuck these bitches, huh? Had to run out the bag in the kitchen, huh? My nigga on stick shit, get air love, nigga on some real shit, huh? What the knob? It's all on the job. Let me see my art, 30 on my Glock. Plug 'em like a sock. Trap out the pot.